What's that?
Well, you got a spike plate.
Yeah. What's that?
You'll be on YouTube later.
Oh, lovely. Crazy, isn't it? It takes like 30 years to grow, about half hour to take down. It's mad. Big ups. Lovely jubbly. Nice skinny little noodle. Swain. Swear with me, baby. Those little pegs. Peg princess. Actually quite nice. Got the spot. Probably just top it out into that little bit there, just right over the line. I'll just use this little bit here to get that branch, so nice time point there, look. And actually, look here, loosen that off. We've got a nice point to grab that branch, make sure it don't smash it into that line. Take the top out and then shove that down. Hopefully it snaps. Lovely. See that? Done. That's how we like to work around here, around these parts. Oh, that's not really tight. That's better. There we go. Easy as pie. There we go.
I reckon that came from the bottom of the well.
Oh, the flint.
Yeah, because we found it when we done the floor in here.
Yeah.
The bloke said, was it a round flint? And it's got like a mark around the outside. I said, yeah. He said, put it back in the house. He said,
Yeah.
it's bad luck if you don't.
I didn't know that. Trying to find my rope bag. That's funky stone, that. Oh, good.
Oh shit. That's fucking crazy, isn't it? That is absolutely mental, that.
I'll try and do one without hitting the stone, hitting the